Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a spotlight in MicroSurvey's MSCAD. To do this, I'm going to go to the View tab up top. I'm going to make sure all my stuff is rendered in realistic mode. Then under the Point Light drop-down, I'm going to change that to Spotlight. It's going to tell me again I need to turn off the default lighting if I want to see my user-defined lighting. And then I can click anywhere here, or I can give it a coordinate for the spotlight. Once I've done that, I then just have to set the angle or the target location that the spotlight is going to shine. And voila, you can see I now have my spotlight shining on the face of these objects. All the rest of them are in shadow. That's all for today's video. If you have any idea of what you'd like to see next in these videos, leave it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to see all the helpful videos we have on the way. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.